This is the code that I'm focusing on right now. P014102 heater circuit bank 1 sensor 2. I'm going to change that sensor out. It's bank 1 sensor 2. So sensor 2 is going to be in the back of the vehicle, further away from the engine. Bank 1 is on the passenger side. Bank 2 is on the driver's side. So we're doing bank 1 sensor 2, so that's going to be on the passenger side, and it's going to be the second sensor further down the exhaust, closer to the muffler. There's the bad sensor right there, according to the computer. Further that way towards the engine is the other sensor. Right in there is where it's plugged in. Just squeeze your arm in here and you can unplug that connector. There's the tab. Pull on the tab, and then they should separate. Just like that. Okay, I got it. Get your wrench and unscrew the sensor. You're going to want to turn the wrench towards you. Get the new sensor out. When you take this off, do not touch the actual sensor part. Get rid of that plastic cap and screw it in. Make sure the wires aren't twisted up. Get your wrench and snug it up. That should be good enough right there. Gotta reconnect the wire, and that stupid little plastic thing broke. So you need to make sure that the wires are secure back there. I'm gonna use a zip tie to hold them because you don't want them to touch the exhaust and melt. Just take those two and plug them together. Then after that, you have to reset the computer. Otherwise, the computer is going to still think that there's a bad sensor here. To reset the computer, remove one of the battery terminals. Leave it off for a few minutes. If your battery terminals are dirty, clean them up if you have like a wire brush, or they have this little tool you can get that you go like this and it cleans them off. Then after a few minutes, reconnect the wire to the battery and the computer will be reset. And when you turn the car on, you should let it idle for a few minutes because the computer has to relearn everything. And then after you let it idle for a few minutes, then you can go and drive it like normal and it will relearn everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.